Hi! So this is the first video of 2023. So big happy new year. I hope you had a wonderful holiday as well. As most of you know, I am a custom content creator in the Sims 4 community, but this year I'm going to be trying to branch out a bit more in the 3D modeling world and not just in the Sims. If you want non-Sims related content, I have a Ko-fi store where I sell... Is it coffee or Ko-fi? I have no idea, but I have a Ko-fi, I don't even know what to say there. I have a store where I sell Blender assets, Blender scenes, and I've just also put a texture baking setup on there that you can use in Blender to bake all of your textures on your Sims CC if you're an upcoming creator. Okay, let's get into the video. So I challenged myself to create Prime. Prime is a drink created by KSI and Logan Paul. It's like really big everywhere right now, but it's sold out in the UK, and I'm sure I've seen that it was sold out in America too. If we can't get Prime, I think our Sims should get Prime, right? So I made Prime hydration bottles and Prime energy cans. I just want to say that I love the aesthetics of these products and I've wanted to create them for a while, so I hope you like them, and they are now up for download for The Sims 4 on my Patreon. Links are all in the description.
not over yet. Tell me why you started a fire. It's burning up in my head. Why do I always tell myself that it's not over yet? Why you gotta tear my heart out, leave me in the rain? Why do I always tell myself that it's not over yet? When the light fades and the dawn breaks, that's when it's hardest to fix it. When you're lonely and your heart aches, that's when you know what you're missing. Hold up, let me get my story straight. It hit me like a tidal wave. Won't you give me just another day to